Welcome to ABC tutorial. Today we'll talk about the mnemonic for the symptoms of infective endocarditis. Infective endocarditis is a serious infection of the heart's inner lining, primarily affecting the heart valves or the endocardium. It is often caused by bacteria or fungi entering the bloodstream and attaching to damaged heart tissue. This condition can lead to complications such as heart failure. The clinical features of infective endocarditis can be remembered using the mnemonic from Jane, which stands for fever, Roth spots, which are both shaped retinal hemorrhages, osler nodes, which are tender subcutaneous nodules located in the fingers, heart murmurs, Janeway lesions, which are painless erythematous marks on the palms, anemia, nail bed hemorrhage, also called splinter hemorrhage, and embolism.